Toyota has raised the bar in full-size trucks with the all-new 2022 Tundra. Is this the workhorse you've been waiting for? We have a closer look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Toyota, and then select Tundra. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra brings fresh features and tech to the massively popular full-size segment. Let's start with the new architecture this truck sits on. The frame is a box steel ladder design with high-strength pieces laser welded just where they're needed to reduce weight. The bed is aluminum reinforced composite. Double cab models are available with either a 6.5-foot or 8.1-foot beds. Crewmax models get a 5.5 or 6.5-foot bed. Toyota has finally moved past the old leaf spring rear suspension design, bringing the Tundra into the new century with a coil spring multi-link setup that still retains impressive hauling capabilities. Up to 12,000 pounds of towing and a maximum 1,860 pounds of payload. Powertrains are also all new. Lower trims come standard with the iForce twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 that makes up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque on 87-octane fuel. Upper and Trd Pro trims come standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This exciting addition includes an electric assist motor integrated between the engine and transmission. It's powered by a bank of nickel metal hydride batteries located under the second row. This system boosts power to an impressive 437 horses and 583 pound-feet of torque. Both setups are mated to a standard 10-speed automatic transmission. 2- and 4-wheel drive models with dual-range gearboxes are available. The EPA has yet to rate these new powertrains, so economy numbers are not yet available. Inside, even current Tundra owners will be blown away by the new interiors. Fit and finish are impeccable, with available high-end materials throughout. There's even an all-new 14-inch touchscreen display with navigation that can be controlled through voice commands. This new system was developed in conjunction with Lexus, and it catapults Toyota to the head of the technology curve. If you're into off-roading adventures, the new top-end Tundra Trd Pro model is ready for you. Available exclusively with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, it features an improved version of Toyota's already excellent multi-terrain select and crawl control systems, in addition to a rear-locking differential and 2.5-inch Fox shocks, allowing drivers to conquer even the most complicated terrain. If you need off-road capability but you don't want to go all in on a Trd Pro model, Toyota will also offer an off-road package to lower trims that includes the MTS, crawl, and rear locker on both hybrid and standard powertrain models. Not into the dirt? Toyota will offer the new Tundra in a variety of packages that should appeal to almost any buyer. From the street-styled SR5 Sport to the luxurious 1794 edition, which is named after the ranch that is now the home of Toyota Tundra manufacturing in San Antonio, Texas. Pricing on the new Tundra has yet to be announced, but we think this will be the truck to beat in 2022. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation Toyota dealer. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today.